Today I will show you how to do a PPT intro animation slides. Let's see it first. Okay, so you can see at the beginning there are some flashing stars. They flashing, then they go to the middle. Okay, let's see how to do that. New slides and format the background. Make it black. Then we insert a star. The star actually is a circle. We remove outline, no outline, white color. From here, the first position, we use 20. Transparency 0. The color is white, okay? And the second point, position 100, transparency 100, and the color is white. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now it's okay. The second one is 100, 100, white. Now we can make it small. So that's a small star, and it will go to the middle. Let's see where's the middle. Let's insert another circle. And align center, align middle. Okay, so it will flash in twice. Go to the middle. Let's add animation to that. So close this one, and the first one is flashing, so that's a pause. Let's open the panel. Set it as with previous flashing 0.5 second. Repeat twice of 3 times. I will repeat it twice. Okay. Let's see. Flashing twice, then it will go to the middle. So add the second one, it will go to the middle, so we use exist. So more effect, go to the here, select basic zoom. Then we change the option. It will out to screen center. Then here we select 1 second, no repeat. Oh, after previous. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, so you will have multiple stars around here, and delay some delay it to go to the middle, so it will like this. Let's see. Okay, so multiple star flashing, go to the middle. Now let's see this part. So we have a diamond go out. Okay. Okay. So we have a diamond go out. So how to do that? Let me show you. Insert. Now we select this diamond and we remove the outline. Make it white. And let's go to here. Close this one first. So we select the same cell with the star. Same thing here. 20%. Transparency we use 0. 100%, and transparency we use 100. All of them are white. Okay, we make it small, and at this time we will change the rotation to 45. Okay, so this one will through the middle go to here. Okay, that's it, point to the middle. Now let's add animation for that. Close this one. So the first elevation is from the middle to here. So this one will use entrance. More entrance effect, basic zoom. Okay, and from here we use in from center. Okay, let's open the panel first. To effect option, in from center, after previous, and for this one we use 1 second. Click OK. Now let's see what happened. Okay, so it's in from center and go to here. Then it will disappear. How to do that? Let's add the second one for this guy. Select it first. Add. Not disappear, this one. Fit. Okay. For this one, we use after previous. Then here, very fast. Okay. Click OK. And see what happened. Okay, looks good. And then let's go back to see the movie again. See, in the middle we have a circle. Okay, so how about this circle? We make it bigger. Oh, actually it's let's insert another one. It's not a circle, it is hollow. Okay, wait a moment, let's make it bigger. Okay, and align it to the center, line to the middle, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, where's the middle? Align middle. Okay, it's already in the middle. Okay, looks good. So we remove the outline first and change the color. For this one, actually it's not 100%, it's not 0%, it's 12% or 10%. Okay, I use 15%. 1.5. Okay, and it will grow. Okay, so we add animation for that, and we add grow. For this one, we use after previous. So it grow for about very fast, I think. So this one we'll use 300. Sorry, 300. Use type, go to the next line, then click OK. Let's see. Okay, maybe it's too big. So that's maybe use 200. Okay, looks good. Then after that, it will disappear. So for this one, disappear is easy. We use same thing. So after previous, it will disappear. Okay, let's see. We use after previous, yeah. Oh, sorry, this one we grow it. Do we grow it? Sorry, we need to add another one first. Grow it first. Remove early. After previous, change it to 200. Okay, maybe too fast. Let's change the time to very fast. Now it should be fine. Let's preview it again. Okay, so you have multiple circle and you have multiple star, multiple diamond, delay the time, and then it will make a animation video like this. Let's play it again. So that's how we make the video like that. And please visit my channel for more animation information. Thank you very much.